Welcome to Karlovac, Croatia. When most people think of Croatia, they think about Dubrovnik, Split, or the Adriatic coast. But today, I want to show you the city that I call home and explain why I love living here. Karlovac is often a place that people drive through on their way somewhere else. But if you slow down and spend some time here, you'll discover something really special. One of the first things I noticed about Karlovac was just how green it is. Everywhere you look, there are trees, parks, walking paths, and open spaces. Even on an ordinary day, being surrounded by nature makes life feel calmer. Karlovac is known as the city of four rivers: the Korana, Kupa, Mrežnica, and Dobra. And these rivers are part of everyday life here. People swim, fish, kayak, or simply enjoy sitting by the water. It's one of those things that you begin to appreciate more and more over time. What I really enjoy is the pace of life. Things feel slower here. People take time to meet for coffee, spend time with family, and enjoy the outdoors. It reminds me that not everything has to be rushed. I love the changing seasons. Spring brings new growth. Summer brings long evenings. Autumn paints the city in beautiful colors. And even winter has its own quiet charm. Another thing that has become a big part of my life is gardening. Being able to step outside and grow tomatoes, peppers, potatoes, and fresh vegetables gives me a sense of satisfaction that's hard to describe. There is something special about eating food that you've grown yourself. This was my garden about 6 weeks ago as I filmed my tomato plants just starting to sprout, the little tiny peppers in the foreground. I have an eggplant in the back, some jalapenos, and over here were the peas, and you could hardly see the carrots. And look at it now, flourishing right to the table. Beautiful. What I appreciate most about Karlovac isn't one famous landmark or one tourist attraction. It's the little things. Morning walks, a cup of coffee with a view, the sound of birds, watching the sunset over the river, living a little slower and appreciating everyday moments. Maybe that's why I love Karlovac so much. It may not be Croatia's most famous city, but for me, it's home. And sometimes, the places that mean the most are the ones that aren't trying to impress anyone. Thanks for coming along with me today. If you enjoy simple living, gardening, nature, and discovering everyday life in Croatia, I'd love to have you join me. There will be plenty more videos from Karlovac with love.